Hey you, yes you, come on, come have a seat. I have another unboxing from Anweller. You want to see it? Okay, so it came in my handy dandy, of course, Amazon shopping again. And I'm really loving this product because it's so clear. Got some more safety gloves. I got two of these for part A and B, and I have 2 cups. So this time, I got the 32-ounce kit. I'm already pretty much ran through my other one, so I'm excited to show you what I can do with these. I have a new technique that I'm about to use, so I'm ready to show you guys that. And just like last time, I got my sticks and my instructions. Please remember that all resins aren't made the same. That you should follow the instructions on your resin. So I'm showing you this again, and I'm just showing you the very detailed instructions from Anweller. So I'm ready to get started. Let's head over to the craft day. I already poured my part A, so now I'm going to pour my part B. You always want to pour your part A first. This process should take you 3 to 4 minutes. You want to stir slowly in the beginning for 1 minute, then speed it up just a tad for 1 minute, and then scrape the sides for another 1 minute. And you only want to stir in one direction. This is an alcohol ink technique I learned on TikTok, and the key is to make sure that you pour before the alcohol ink starts to dry too quickly. Takes 24 hours to cure.